In this session, we're going to explore the effect that fluid shift has on our sense of taste. These are the items you'll need. A selection of flavours. Here we're using salt and sugar, but yours will be different. Pots with lids or other suitable covers. 4 teaspoons per group, and plastic cups. You'll be working in groups of 3 to carry out 3 different tasting sessions. One of you will be the feeder. You will have 4 food samples in pots labelled A to D. Give the samples in different orders for each taste session. And remember not to mix the spoons. One of you will be the taster. Now you mustn't see the samples, so you must keep your eyes closed or put on a blindfold. It's up to you. The taster remains seated throughout all sessions. The final person, well, they'll record the results. Tasting session 1. The taster must hold their nose so they can't smell the samples. The feeder gives half a teaspoon of sample A. The taster then says whether the food is sweet, salty, sour or bitter. Now the record keeper, your job is to use the table to record the taster's responses by putting a tick for a correctly identified taste and a cross for an incorrect answer. Repeat this process for samples B, C and D. The taster can take a sip of water between samples if needed. Tasting session 2. Same as session 1, but the taster's nose is uncovered. However, the taster will try to replicate the feeling of fluid shift by putting their head between their legs for 30 seconds before tasting each food sample. Bit like this. Remember to repeat for all of the samples. Tasting session 3. Here, the taster keeps their eyes closed, but this time their nose is left uncovered and uncongested when tasting. Remember to repeat for all the samples.